Hi everyone, this is Dr. Kevin Chen from the Department of Applied Social Sciences. I'd like to take a few minutes to share with you about academic integrity in PolyU. Why is it important? Where we stand on academic integrity and how students can maintain academic integrity. Before we get started, let's get straight with why academic integrity is important with this video.
At university, there are serious penalties and consequences for any work found in breach of academic integrity policies. You may have marks deducted, fail the assignment, or the entire unit. You may be called before the Faculty Discipline Committee, where you could face suspension or even exclusion from the university, and your name can be placed on the Academic Integrity Warnings Register. This means that even when you graduate, there are ongoing consequences in your professional life. To be admitted to practice as a lawyer, you must provide a full and frank disclosure of any academic misconduct to the Legal Admissions Board, and a student conduct statement from the university is part of your application. You may not be deemed a fit and proper person as required under the legal profession admission rules, so academic misconduct can stop you from being admitted. This is exactly what has happened in several cases where students have disclosed their academic misconduct but were not admitted due to the reflection on their character. Or one case where a student had been found guilty of collusion at university but misled the board to be admitted for practice. This non-disclosure was later discovered and they were struck off the roll of practitioners. So avoid the consequences and work with integrity by being honest and ethical in all aspects of your study and professional life.
This example was taken in the law school, but I believe that would apply to everyone else in the PolyU. So now we get to know why academic integrity is important. Let's look at where PolyU stands in terms of academic integrity. Okay? We are holding students responsible for upholding academic integrity, and that is why the university has set up an online tutorial course for all PolyU students to go through in order to understand and appreciate academic integrity in details. Don't worry about the link and the resources because you'll be provided with all the links that I have visited. On this OGUR site, you will also find a very detailed booklet about academic integrity, how to avoid plagiarism, how to do proper referencing. I'll leave you to do the reading by yourself. So, if we learn that we should respect and practice academic integrity, what can we do? There are several support sources that we can do. First of all, the PolyU library has a very comprehensive coverage of support for students to cite their references properly when they're doing their assignments or other scholarly output. You can find the portal for the reference management tools under the library page, and you will also find several different tools including EndNote for Windows and Mac, and Mendeley and Zotero or other citation tools, so you can save time and focus on the writing and leave those tools to take care of the proper referencing. Another page that I would like to draw your attention is the one prepared by the Educational Development Center of the PolyU. The EDC has a academic integrity page that includes other support links, including a mass open online course called InfoLit for U MOOC, and that it was prepared by the PolyU library with very detailed step-by-step guide on how to avoid plagiarism by proper referencing. And on the language side, under the English Learning Center, the Center for Independent Language Learning also offer detailed tutorials on how to properly cite your materials about quoting, summarizing, paraphrasing, and referencing, both in-text and end-of-text bibliography. You can also find those links via the Educational Development Center EDC portal. So I hope that this will cover most, if not all, the grounds about what you need to learn about academic integrity in PolyU. I'll see you later.